To fix a Visa gift card not working on an iPhone, start by checking the card balance and expiration date. Ensure the card is active and has sufficient funds to make a purchase. If the card is new, it may need to be activated before use. Next, verify the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure these details are correctly entered in the iPhone payment method. If using Apple Pay, check that the card is added to the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and select Continue. Then choose Credit or Debit Card and follow the prompts to add the card. If the issue persists, try removing and re-adding the card to the iPhone. Go to Settings, select Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap on the card. Then select Remove Card and confirm. After removal, re-add the card by following the same steps as before. Additionally, ensure the iPhone operating system and Wallet app are up to date. Go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update to check for updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact the gift card issuer or Apple support for further assistance. They can help identify any underlying problems and provide a solution to get the Visa gift card working on the iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and successfully use your Visa gift card on your iPhone. Remember to always keep your card details and iPhone software up to date to avoid any future issues.